Hello there, my name is Stevatus and this is Camera Pack version 2. As you could tell, this is a new version of my camera pack, and it allows you to do these cool cinematic camera path to spice up your videos in Minecraft, or I don't know, trailers. You can do anything with this. So there was also version 1, you can watch this video up here. But now I made a few improvements to this and also coded the whole thing in Object-D now, so it should run a bit better and the math behind it should work better. But let's take a look at what this is here. With this data pack there are a few commands coming to Minecraft and they are listed here. So for example you could say function cam p1 to set the first point, and then let's fly a bit here and let's say we want to set the second point here. The whole thing is limited to 2 points, so you can just do one camera path here from one point to another, and it will try to interpolate between these 2 points and also the rotation. So now we can say scored players set and as cam.duration, and this is in seconds, so if we could for example set this to 10, then we would have 10 seconds for this camera to finish. Then just let us start it and you can see this nice fluid camera path. And this is so smooth because it now works with motion, and this motion is updated more often than 20 times a second, which is the default tick time for any data pack. One limitation though is that the rotation is a bit stuttery here. This uses the new spectate command to set the player's view into another entity that has this motion, and it seems like Minecraft has a bug there that the rotation is not updated immediately, so you can see these stutter from time to time. If you guys have any solutions for this, write them in the comments, I would love to see them. So this motion and rotation works great when you have like much camera movement. Let's see if we can set this to bigger camera movement, then we can see this also looks a bit more smoother, and the faster you go the smoother this here gets. However, this may look pretty weird in some situations, so I have a second mode for this. Therefore we have to add ourselves the tag cam.tp, and this would switch to the old mode. That means teleporting to the entity that is moving along this path here. So we can start again, and you may see the rotation is smoother now, but the general frame rate is just 20 frames per second, so pretty low. So if you want to use this TP one, you may have to speed up your video to get a smoother experience. I didn't mention you can also stop this, then it would stop immediately, and it of course automatically stops at the end here. As you might saw, there are these particles here. They are hidden automatically if you start the camera, but if you don't want to have this preview, you can also set the tag cam.hideParticles, and that would vanish these particles, you can't see them anymore. And you can also set the tag cam.noRotation, and this would simply lock the rotation to the first point and it won't move, so this could also be a lot smoother with the motion. And then of course if you want to be really fast with this, you can also do it right clicking. For that you just have to give yourself a carrot on a stick with the cam tag set to 1B right here, and then you can also right click and right click again. Now you can see this also works here. Of course you can download this data pack by going to dmanager, the link is in the description. Here you have the whole data pack and also a short description and all the commands to do it. Keep in mind that you have to be in the snapshot version of 1.15 or above, because this data pack needs the spectate command, and just put the data pack into your World's Datapacks folder, or use the dmanager desktop app to do it automatically for you. You can also get the source code and all news on this pack on GitHub. I will also link this in the description below, and here you can install it as well. Well, this was it for this short video. Preparing for the upcoming FART project, I want to integrate these cameras in my videos again. So I made this little data pack, I hope you like it, and we'll see us soon.